What's up, fellow humans? Today, mail time. Here, inside of this package, is the Joy Division shirt of the emo photography world. Okay, so let's check this out first before we open it up. This says it is from the Threadless artist shops in Chicago. It doesn't get much more emo than that. I feel like if any state was to be more emo than Illinois, it's not possible. Illinois is the most emo state in the United States of America. This package comes from Illinois. Ugh, muscles. I don't have any. Okay, yes, here it is. Mango Street. I love it. It smells so fresh. Ruby. Hi, Ruby. It smells so fresh. Hi, Brock. Mango Street. Ooh, what a perfect lightweight sweatshirt for the Florida weather. I thought it was going to be heavier than this, but this is nice. This is real nice. I love it. I'm going to wear this pretty much every day, I think. Philosophy. Don't let my fatness dissuade you from the glory that is this shirt. Feels so good. I freaking love this shirt, and I love bananas. I just want to give a shout out to Mango Street for being such a rad YouTube photography channel. Thanks for all the tutorials that you do and all the photography skills that you do share. There is value in your channel. I personally love it. I've been following it ever since it started up. Definitely one of my favorite channels out there. Watch, subscribe to Mango Street. Do it. Links in the bottom. If you're into filmmaking, keep an eye on my channel. I'm actually going to try to launch it, even though I have videos on my channel already. But I'm going to try to make series of videos about being a filmmaker and my current journey of filmmaking. Peace.